Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the best instant loan apps in the UAE that allows you to borrow money quickly with minimal paperwork. So whether you need funds for an emergency shopping or personal expenses, these applications provide a fast and easy solution. But which one is best for your needs? Let's just break it down in this video. So the first app in our list is Prime Loan, which is one of the most popular options for instant personal loans in the UAE. It allows you to borrow between 500 dirhams to 30,000 dirhams with a repayment period ranging from 65 days to 120 days. One of the key advantages of Prime Loan is that it has no hidden fees. Everything, including processing charges and the interest rates, it is clearly displayed before you take the loan. It also has a simple application process that makes it a great choice for those who need urgent cash without lengthy approvals. However, your eligibility depends on your salary and your credit score, so approval may vary from person to person. The second best application in the UAE is the FlexPay app, which works differently from the traditional loan providers. Instead of offering a fixed loan amount, it actually provides salary advances based on your income cycle. This means that if you are employed by a registered partner company, you can access a portion of your earned salary before payday without paying any interest or any processing fees. The best part is that there is no credit score check. That makes it ideal for those who may not qualify for the traditional loans. However, since it depends on employer partnerships, only employees of certain companies can use FlexPay. Now, the last but not the least, we have Deem Finance, which is a personal loan provider offering loans between 5,000 dirhams to 100,000 dirhams. This application is ideal for individuals with a stable income and a good credit score. The repayment period here ranges from 12 to 48 months, and the interest rate varies between 15.99% and 34.99% per annum, depending on your loan amount and the tenure. One standard feature of Deem Finance is that it allows self-employed individuals to apply as well, unlike many other loan providers. However, Deem Finance requires a minimum monthly salary of 5,000 dirhams and a good credit score for the approval. So if you meet these criteria, it is solid choice for larger loan amounts. Now, you must be wondering which one is actually best for you, because I gave a lot of options for you. So let me just break that down for you as well. So if you need quick cash with minimal paperwork, Prime Loan is a great option for you. If you want a salary advance with no interest, FlexPay is the best choice. And if you need a large loan and if you have a good credit score, Deem Finance is ideal for you. Now, before applying for any of the loans, always check the interest rates, fees and repayment terms carefully. So which one are you going to pick for your loans? Let me know that in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. Thank you so much for watching.